Make a great choice today with
The 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.